You get what you put into Facebook, basically. If you go on there to get into mix up, so to speak, you're gonna get mixed up.
I want to hear the thing them that you don't want people to hear.
Other girls put stuff on my page to get jealous.
We couldn't talk to no female. We couldn't even look in the direction of a female if y'all had your way.
You're supposed to walk with your face down.
Yeah, some of these girls are Facebook police.
After every 10 pork, you have to get the real pork.
So, you know, I stay on the low. I do what I gotta do. The only people on my Facebook are friends and family, like it's supposed to be.
And then it was like she would follow her man. Like she really was like a Facebook detective.
You know what I'm saying? So if you can understand that, you know, you probably meet me on Facebook. So,
but when she walk on that street, I'm not supposed to at least go like this. If you don't see that, she don't feel good.
Right? Well, that means you got to put the girl in line. I call in check.
I mean, I try my best,
delete.
But
when them have their man friend, I come and talk about, you know, hey baby.
Because right now, woman I think like man. You see me?
Okay, you look so guilty right now.
20 seconds later, so you liking girls' pictures now, huh?
Men commenting on the females, not the females commenting on the men.
Oh, no.
Nah.
That's not true.
I'm a flirt. You see me?
I don't understand how anybody could be on Facebook for 8 hours straight. Like,
I have dramas. And them unstoppable and them unlimited.
So flirting's not cheating?
No. See you talking to a girl or a girl tag you in a photo, them cause problem, you understand? So that's why I have to block on my wall.
That wasn't my law that I passed, you know?
But there's a way to, you know, find trust so you don't have to stalk them on Facebook.
Biggest problem for me on Facebook now, like, I give this girl my password, you get me?
Give me the dirt.
I have her on the camera and she was like, "Why you don't know me? You want to know me? You want me to open me inside and show you?"
One thing leads to the other.
Already?
My thing about Facebook is people that see you every day normally on the streets and they don't talk to you. But they see you on Facebook, oh, they want to be your friend.
I have a whole heap of things to say, but just not for the camera, you get me? No, I don't have no dirt to trust me.
Yeah, right. I don't believe that
Trust
one.
me. We're not even in a closet.
Me makes her say she looks sexy when she go out, to an extent. I make it sexy and classy, cause what? Want a man go there and say, wow, Sousa woman that go on week, you know, she look good.
I mean, just see like a Range Rover, a circle the block, yo.
So the jealousy is really unnecessary when you're dating an artist.
what? You said what?
You got a picture with your booty out. And it's like,
I don't have no pictures of my booty on
your pictures
Facebook.
on Facebook.
Yo, hold on, where you do my woman, Rasta?
Booking all I do on Facebook, promote music, had friends.
I see who you with, who you talking to, and stuff like that.
Then they
Why
say
you
they
wanna
start
talk to
dealing
me?
with your man.
Exactly.
I believe everybody in here is a liar.
Facebook is a promotional engine.
She would poke him and see how he responds to her to see if he would cheat.
If you're insecure, if you're not sure about your woman, then you're gonna be jealous.
We were standing in front of each other 2 minutes ago. Like, you know what I'm saying? You couldn't say that. Like, you had to go home and get on the computer. You know what I'm saying?
Tell me about it.
It's because sometimes I flirt, sometimes I don't.
If they poke me, I poke them back.
Like Howard Allen said, me stay out of drama.
You have a lot of men who wear skirt and blouse on Facebook, you know.
Get around to you.
But they have people that want to just request you just because they want trying to fill up their list.
90% of the people I don't know on my page, but I interact with you because every day, if you go on Facebook for drama, you're going to get drama. Save me a place in your heart, 'cause I just want to be where you are.
Rhyme like I'm angry, my punchlines just mean. Try and you test me, I rip out your spleen. Put slugs through your pupils, it's clear now, you see.
I'm ahead of these niggas. AK street sweep sanitation man. Fuck the whole nation. Middle finger probation. Damn. Son of Sam Pro with the money scam. I'm about that dough. I turn the 01 night into 100 grams. Quick flip, brick flip, goes gonorrhea. The fiends cop the flows rocky like
I'm not gonna try, I'm not gonna try, I'm not gonna try to work it through. 'Cause every time we try and work it out, somehow I just feel used. But I'm stronger and I'm smarter and I'm so much better than you. Why should we work it out? I know I'm gonna gonna lose.
Hey, Backyard TV, let me tell you about my life. Me left out of the dark, now me in a starlight. See they know me name highlight. When I rise into the top, the boy them want to take your life. Them a watch you when they catch your flight.
Leave my life alone. Will you please go on home? Just for telling me you are still in love with me, baby.
On my way unto Mount Zion, I never take a bus, I never take a minivan. So I buck up on some Eden, one come stop by Jaman. And I chant 2 psalms and burn them out Jaman. So I hear a voice call out from Mount Zion. Him say fear no one but the conquering one, who sit up on the holy throne of Mount Zion. Watching I and I down in a Babylon. Man, you fit chadala. I tell you certain things.
Gyal, you got the comeback, yes sir. Comeback, yes sir. Any man will get it off the comeback, yes sir. Show off on your mate with the comeback, yes sir. Me ain't just a hate cause you're something fat, sir. The comeback, yes sir. Comeback, yes sir. Straight, yeah. I'm from me come on me yard. Pan the chair, wolan. Chandelier, wolan. Pan the bed, wolan. Give me head, no hand. Me a come, wolan.
First I beat it up, then I slow it down. You already know we going to the 3rd round. Girl, I love sex, and you the fucking best. Baby, we gon' work it out like both flex. And then you bite down. Now hit a pipe now. Lay your head on my pillow, I know you feel it right now. I whisper something in your ear. Yes, I got a lot of things I bet you wanna hear. Girl, I'm like magic headed, break the chandelier. Your legs spread open, now I'm pulling on your hair. Now you screaming, oh yeah, I guess you really don't care. So I hit it from the back. She kissing on my tat, so you know I'm loving that.
Check me out if you're looking for beats or anything like that. You're right here, Backyard Studio. You can either call Howell, or you can call me, 347-872-0586. And, you know, we are artists as well, so, you know, you can go out and check out some of the songs on Reverb Nation. And we're working on the iTunes thing, so that's going to be available soon. You know, so, Conscious One with the Backyard Studio. And when me born me here, I sit back and I look at society. I said, yo, when me born me here, I can see what they're trying to do to me. I said, yo, when me born me here, I just want to escape this reality, oh yes. When me born me here, I just want to escape this insanity, yeah.
Mad things.
Yo, Kazik, you know, to the world. I'm going to say, oh, JumpStar Entertainment, Backyard TV, give thanks, you see me? But you know, we management, some for tell us, say, anywhere we go, gyal a mad over me. All my exes say she can't get over me. Me get gyal local and globally. One girl no have control. And where the girl I come from, me no really care, me have to have her. In the club, yes I wear my bag. JumpStar, see it.
Okay, for the people that don't know me, I'm Barry, CEO of JumpStar Entertainment. Well, I do marketing and promotions for a couple different business, artists, whatever it is. Right now, I got a networking event coming up end of the month. Trying to get the community together and stuff. Artists. K Davis Designs. We're doing handbags over here.
Big purses, nice.
Handbags.
Attention, everybody, attention. I forget to let you guys know, check out my new video.